What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Today we'll be looking at Elrond on the daily time frame, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe and comment. We're trying to get to 50 likes on every single video now on. So we do have this potential descending triangle over here forming. Once you do lose this $130 support, that's when the target to the downside at around $85 will be validated. At the moment, it's not a valid technical target because you need to lose the 0.618130, and this was actually the low target which I gave you from once we lost this neckline or this support of this descending triangle we had here back in December. So if you're part of that, if you're on the channel watching the videos, then well done. Thank you for supporting the channel for so long, guys. Yeah, and over these last few weeks, I know I haven't been able to make loads of videos because of COVID, but I urge you guys again to like, subscribe and comment, because YouTube don't want to help anyone out with their algorithm. They want you to be like a robot and post multiple videos a day. It's ridiculous. Otherwise they'll reset the algorithm every time you miss out. Let's say I did 5 videos one day, if I did 3 the next day, it would reset the algorithm. It's so annoying. But yeah, I'm not a robot. I'm not gonna bow down to it. I'm not a slave to this nonsense, to this Babylon nonsense. But yeah, let's go. I have to so what we're doing here is we need to hold 150, this psychological level. So you can see it's this previous neckline of this double top over here. It was a previous double bottom, double U patterns and neckline here. So it's very vital to hold this, and we're getting this bounce, which was so needed, guys. Honestly, it's very needed. If I bring out the fibs right now, from this low over here to this high, you can see that we bounced off the 618. This is actually the level that it should have bounced off, and that's why it's very nice to see that. With the daily candle close yesterday, we actually printed something called a bullish hammer. In this case, because we were coming down, in this case it's worked as a bullish reversal. Don't forget, we're under each EMA, every single one, the 200 signaling the actual trend. You can see when we got up to it, which was our technical target, the 200 EMA, and we formed this bullish cross. We knew that the only thing it needs to do to get this bullish continuation from here, all we needed to do was hold this, and we would have gone and broken this high and head much higher, guys. We would have gone much higher afterwards. We have other technical targets here at 273 and 325. Let's just call it 275 and 325. If it weren't for this red candle, who knows? We would have definitely been above 202 by now. But yeah, and validate this, at least this double bottom up here to 325. But that's not what's happened. Just because it's what should happen doesn't mean it will. And once you get your head around that nothing here is 100%, then you'll be flying, guys. Honestly, as long as, because obviously we have bullish patterns that should break out bullish, but can break out bearish. We know this. We've got bearish patterns that should go down. They go up sometimes because we realize nothing is 100%. And if you're coming here for it to be 100% accurate, like, oh yeah, double bottom, I'm gonna buy it, like that. No, there's validation points and invalidation points. Like, get above the neckline, which we're currently doing right now on this small double bottom. Can you see this small double bottom here? That's your neckline, one bottom, second bottom. Like, currently right now we are above the neckline, but is it the daily candle close right now? No, it's not. So this is not a finished candle. We've got 10 hours left, guys. What if in the next 10 hours we come down and we're all the way down there in the one candle? This could be a massive wick to the top. This candle could close down here if it wanted. This is why I'm telling you guys, it's all about validations and invalidations and the closes. We can't make a judgment off an open candle. If you enjoyed the video to this point, and thank you guys for even getting this far into the video, please like and subscribe and comment. So I want to hear your opinions. If you enjoyed anything, if you disliked anything, let me know in the comments down below. I want to hear from you guys. Now, what this needs to do for us to, continue up and breaking above these EMAs, well, first of all, to get bullish again, just get above 170. This is 050. You might be asking, where's that fib come from? Let me find it for you. So that 050 is from this low to this high. I'm using the Binance chart for Elrond, and you need to make sure when you're placing these two fibs, you might be like, Louis, that's not on the top, that's not on the bottom. But make sure whenever you place fibs on the higher time frames, go back down to the 4 hour, make sure that it's on the exact point, because actually on the 4 hour, the top was 543 and not 559. This is a false high, I don't know why, and this is a false low. The actual low is 53, but this is actually saying it's 52. I know it's $1 off, but yeah, I want it exactly. I want my fib levels exact. And that's how I could tell you guys. When we were coming down here, I could tell you that it was so vital to hold this 0.382 fib level after this massive pump. Because if we wanted to continue to break that high, you can see where was the 200 EMA on the 382. What else was also at this 382? This previous swing high. So when you make a new swing high, what you're meant to do is fall to the previous one and hold it as support right there. So actually, and you can see what else is there? The 200 EMA. So we should have head up. Blaze! 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 You're okay, little boy. Oh, little chihuahua. I don't know what he's doing. Crazy dog, guys, but yeah, sorry about that. What we need to do is get above these EMAs. We're probably going to run into the 200 EMA again, because once we're above the 55, that's what it tends to do. Fall back to the newly formed bullish cross, hopefully, and then yeah, that's when we can obviously break out of this 202 double bottom neckline that we're seeing right there. One thing I do want to say though, we need to take a look at this weekly time frame and look at this weekly double bottom, because the thing is, guys, we were outside, we did back test as support, and we were validating this 275 target, but then you fell below the double bottom's neckline and you actually closed the weekly candle below it. So for me, that's basically saying we're not going up there, we're not going to this target for the moment. That moment you reclaim 190, the neckline, and you close a weekly candle above 190, then that time, that's the time where we're actually going to go. So the next time we do get up here and we confirm our support, that is going to be the time where we actually can put a long from 190 all the way until 270. This is going to be a key resistance though, the 0.382 sitting at 224 to 235. You can see on the weekly time frame, it's so much clearer. Resistance, resistance, and support right there. So once we are above this, what happened? Boom! So as soon as we're above this again, we can relax. Until then, we can't relax. And that's the most annoying thing, guys. We've got this potential bear market hanging over our head. We've got this descending triangle on the chart right here. We don't really want to break and lose these lows. The 0.618, which was the low target which I gave you. Let's hope and pray that the low target that I gave will be the actual low. The 0.618 at 130. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate all the support over these last few months. And yeah, like the video, subscribe, comment, of course. And if you're interested in me helping you get to the next stage in your trading career or your journey, then I'm more than happy to help each and every one of you. And yeah, if you're interested, listen to the crypto packages here. Thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one. And as always, peace. So guys, here are the crypto packages. If you think you have what it takes to stay disciplined and consistent over the next 3 to 6 months, then I'm more than happy to help you 10x your learning curve. So you can already be a complete beginner, or you can be advanced. It doesn't matter. I'm here to turn you into a self-sufficient trader that doesn't need anyone else's guidance by the end of it. I even had to pay over £10,000 to get all this information. That includes scams, scam signals where I lost 3K, scam master account management where I lost 5K, scam pyramid scheme companies for bad courses. Then I found my mentor and I had to pay over $2,000 for just a 2-hour mentorship lesson. What you guys are getting for £650 is access to the chat until the top of the market. So if the top of the market is a year away, do 1 year times 40. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. You also get the course included in the mentorship. And I'll actually not just do a 2-hour lesson with you. I will stay here for a month period to make sure that you become a self-sufficient trader by the end of it. So if you're interested in this, head over to my Twitter, Louis_crypto, to the pinned post and message me there. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.